So what's up, glammies? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back to the Glam fam. So the video today is so exciting because I will be chatting with Joel my summer glow skincare routine. So this video was so much request for a lot of Joel, guys. So here we have it already. I incorporated my July routine, and I want to give you like a little inspiration for you to start your skincare as well. So today is a perfect day. Today is Sunday night and it's 7. This is the time like I normally started my nighttime routine, do my hair, do whatever so I need to do. So I wanted like to share with you guys. So let's gonna disintoxicate our skin. Let's gonna rip off all those clogged pores. Let's gonna look for that filter effect skin. So I'm gonna be including as well so little things like shaping my eyebrows, painting my toes, little thing like this while we were talking here. So it's excited. So all the products are fruity, glowy, summer, beach, everything. Oh, that is the last thing that you saw mostly of the products in my past video, and including new products. And I want to give a shout out to TEAMI Blends for the sponsor of this video. You know how it says with those products I have been trying for like the last year, I think, and I was so in love. This year I was researching all about what's a good mask for disintoxicate my face, and I'm gonna tell you I have tried different clay ones, others, and I haven't found anything like really give me what I need, that boost, that energize and everything. So I said, why not to try again, and here it is. So shout out for partnership for this video. So let's not gonna talk too much and let's gonna start it. Hey lammies, hey guys. So guess what, this girl is ready, bun is ready, skin is ready. So let's gonna start. To be honest, this is the most satisfying step of a woman's skincare routine. So let's gonna start removing the makeup and remove those eyelashes, letting drop off, girls, to start with the first step. And first step is remove the makeup. So today I'm using Kylie Skin makeup remover wipes, and mostly of the time I like to use rose oil infused makeup removers, or if not, I infuse with my own rose oil. So this is what I'm doing because my skin is so delicate. So today I'm not dressing that much makeup because it's summer, it's hot outside, and with all that we have to dress in mask, so I don't like too much makeup. So it's just a tint moisturizer what I'm using. So yes, go to those parts that you always forget, but don't forget your neck, girl. In the neck you always mostly of the time forget. So with the same rose oil infused, let's gonna clean under your eyes any built up makeup leftovers. And you know this area is super delicate, so I like to infuse with rose oil mostly of the time. So yes, after cleaning off our makeup, now the second step is clean our face. So I'm using Olehenriksen True Use Daily Cleanser. It's all summer in a bottle, guys. It's all vitamin C. Look at the texture. This is the most I like. The texture and the feeling on the skin. Oh my gosh. It's so soft and fragrance. It's refreshing. And the most I like to do is like gentle massage and enjoy this step. If you use any kind of tool, use it. I just can't do it because, as I tell you, my skin is so dry and so delicate, so I avoid any kind of tool. So just give me a massage, enjoy the moment, and rinse up. And this is how you're gonna dry your skin. And look at this, any makeup around, because we just remove it in that True Use. They really help you to remove all the leftovers in your skin. So now we have the skin so clean, so soft. And with any makeup, let's gonna think about the second step, but I can stop stating how baby soft is my skin at this point and clean. So let me think about what I'm gonna do now. So the third step is some good mask, and I got a recommendation today, and it's my favorite all the time holy grail mask, and this is TEAMI Blend's DETOX mask. This mask contains green tea blend, matcha, lemongrass, and clay, and it's amazing, guys. It's so amazing. I have just like 1 year ago, and I want to use right now again. So it's made without alcohol, parabens, synthetic dyes, gluten. It's all vegan and cruelty free, which is awesome. We all need this kind of clean beauty in our skin. So look how the package looks, and I leaving in the description all the information when you can get it, and use my discount code, guys. So look, it's a clay mask, but it's stunning. It's gonna disintoxicate our skin. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to try it again and incorporate in my routine. So I like to take a foundation brush and dig into it and apply in my face. You see how my skin looks? This is the parts that I most like to use, is where you can have more texture or use clogged pores or whatever. So I have been noticed clogged pores lately. Clogged pores can appear because they use some makeup, or just because it's natural. It's a natural part of the nature. So we need it, and we need to be caring our skin. So this mask is perfect, and since it's all natural, you can use daily if you want. I really like to incorporate my mask the Sundays because I got more time to do it. So yes, if you got texture, it's gonna help you a lot as well. So I'm telling you, it smells so good as well. So I'm gonna start here in this area. We sometimes, when do this movement, we always see like little so that you can see real good, but it's a microscopic like clogged pores. And here in our forehead, and yes, that's all the parts that I need a good mask. So as I say, all the information is in the description below. And so while this mask gonna be drying, you know, what I'm gonna do is shape my eyebrows, paint my toes a little bit, to do that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna start with shaping my eyebrows, and I'm using coconut oil to moisturize, and I'm using this shaper, and I'm just gonna do it. That don't take me like 3 seconds to that while the mask is just drying. You have to leave the mask around 10 minutes, just enough. So yes, guys, nothing but this feeling in the skin, like we are really caring about the skin. So now I'm thinking about the next step, and yeah, yes, now I found those this Ixie. I got a lot from Target the last day, but I don't know where to put it, so I think I'm gonna be using this for my toes. It's the same color I'm dressing in my finger toes. I just gonna give like 1 layer, and that's it, because I was trying to do this morning in a rushing time. So that's it, and it's almost time. The mask have passed already the 10 minutes, and look, it's dry. It looks like this, but it's dry. You can see the pores here. It's decongestionated. You can see a pores here. they really, I'm gonna make a close-up so you can see how they look, the clogged pores. So this is the results, guys. Now after rinse out, you can see how good it looks. My pores, my skin looks so bright, my skin looks so healthy, energized, and all that. And while I'm enjoying my skin, I'm gonna do this step that is I'm using Milani scrub, lip scrub, and I really like this product lately. And you can see in my recent Ulta Sephora haul. So I like to scrub. Mostly I do at the mornings, but to be honest, I skip all the week, and I just can do twice by week, but I skip all those weeks. I'm doing today, and I live to try this sugar, guys. I don't know, I haven't the same to you. So next time I'm gonna use my Kylie Skin Tonic because I love this product at nighttime, guys. We can skip a good tonic because the tonic is the one to tone our face, make it look tighter, close those pores that was opened, and with the mask they close the pores, tight our skin, and renew the pH of our skin. So it's necessary. So this Kylie Skin I love so much. So let it dry a little bit, and let's gonna apply my hyaluronic acid. I love to use this product. It's the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid yes, serum. This is the consistency I'm gonna be showing here. I just incorporate in my routine, and it's so fun. I definitely love. If your skin is too oily, don't put that much. Just use a good serum, and that's it, because you don't need, I need, because my skin is super dry. So the next step is my vitamin C tea infused serum. So this is a TEAMI blend as well, and I just love the packaging just because it's pink, and I really like all the products with vitamin C. Yes, I'm so obsessed. It's natural, gluten-free, cruelty-free. It don't have alcohol, parabens, synthetic fragrance, any kind of artificial chemicals. And so I love, and the most I love is because it's like weightless and it's fast absorbing. I love the fast absorbing serum. I don't like those are so thick in my skin. That leaves my skin so feeling bright and radiant, and I love, oh my god, the smell, the fragrance is amazing because it contains hibiscus flower that leaves and refreshing red tea. Yes, it contains red tea, guys, which creates this baby pink color that we all love. So yes, just apply with your fingertips and give massage in small circles. Yes, use a morning and a night routine as well. So after my serums, I like to apply my roller just to help penetrate the serum into my skin layers, and it's feeling refreshing, the sensation. I feeling like I'm in a spa or something like this, even in my neck. I don't forget this routine. So yes, guys, I recommend this product as well, so you can find in the description as well. It's TEAMI. So next of that, my favorite step at all is get a good cream, eye cream. So I love the Retinol ice cream, and this is Dr. Yard. So I'm gonna leave in the description as well. And really, this is the most difficult thing to find to me, is a good eye cream. So this have been working lately. At daytime I use another different, but at night I love to use Retinol's ice cream. Okay, So just be gentle and give soft steps. If you need to use your roller, use it, because if your eyes are puffed and you need, that is perfect. And this is the perfect time to spoil and pamper in your skin. So if you got dark eye circles, they're gonna help you as well to brighten in this area. So now let's go to the next step. And definitely, if you know me, girl, you know this is my favorite moisturizer ever. So I'm just obsessed. I can use 2-3 times every day, and I always have to dig my nose into it. Oh my god, I love this banana fresh smell. And this is my Glowy Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturized Cream. And you just need a little bit. And the most I like is it's not like another moisturizer, like leave your skin like greasy or anything. No, it's just soft, it's the perfect quantity, and leave the skin, oh my god, leave the skin amazing. It's all vitamin C, as you have noticed. I love to incorporate vitamin C, fruity stuff in my summer skincare. So yes, enjoy your time. Do massage, put the relaxing music all you like. So the last step for my skin is this. Is the Glowy Recipe Avocado Retinol mask. And look at, it's fragrance free, and you just need a little bit just to set all the products you have put on your skin before. So all the serums, all the stuff you're gonna set with this product. And guys, I'm obsessed with this one, because you can see I put a lot of stuff on my face, but anything is greasy at the end. Just when this mask dry, my skin is normal, just soft, but any greasy at all. So I can build my makeup daytime, and all those products I put don't gonna come over with my foundation. This is the most stunning routine I ever have, and I really enjoy it because of that. So take your roller. With this step is so important with serums, and this step, take your roller to let all those good products into your skin, but don't forget your lips. So I'm gonna remove the scrub sugary stuff that I put at the beginning. And now let me tell you, that is the real last product I apply, but I love is my Tatcha Kissu lips mask. Look that guys, this is amazing. I love hydrating, watery, moisturized distant look. I love the fact they bring with the bougie spatula. And yes, it's my first time. It's a new product, guys, so it's my favorite one. You know, I have tried a lot, and I love Laneige, I love Versailles, I love Fresh, I love, those are my favorites, but this is the number one, period. This is the number one, period. And the most I like, I go to bed and it don't stain in my pillow. So guys, that's everything in my summer glowy skincare routine. So judge yourself how glowy, radiant, and beautiful this can look. So let me know in the comments what was your favorite product, and if you follow as well any skincare routine, or you have tried any of those products. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. So love you. Thank you for watching. See you the next time. Bye bye.